All right, welcome back to RTOD. I don't want this to turn into a project management lecture, but scope creep is real. Working on another video. You might have saw a tweet about it earlier today, but to make that video work, I need an original Game Boy. Found one really cheaply, but it's a little rough. It works. It came with the game. We got Sunsoft Daffy Duck. Also came with batteries, leakage not included. It works, but it is just a little rough. Maybe down the road, this will be a good candidate for a screen replacement, but the screen looks really good. I almost might not even touch it. But we do have, I'll turn this off, but you can see it works. There's almost like a gloss down here. It might be hard to see. It almost looks like somebody, I don't know why you would do this, but just got like super glue and spread it all over there. Little discoloring, we got some dirt there. This sticker is disgusting. I'm going to make a new one. I'll have a link in the description of the website I used to generate this new barcode. We're just going to go clean it up. It's going to be a relatively quick video. Nothing crazy, nothing exciting. I just thought, hey, while we're giving this a little clean, I might as well share it with you guys. So stay tuned. Before I do any kind of cleaning like this, I always start with something non-abrasive, low chemical, and I love these. These are Amazon Basic baby wipes, 99% water. It's just a wet rag, really. I don't want to call it lint-free, but it's relatively low lint. And I like it because, like I said, it's just a wet rag. There's no chemicals. I can push down hard on it, and it's not going to scratch anything. It's not going to destroy the surface. So I'll just go over the entire surface, get off any surface dust, and then we'll take it apart and do our disassembly. I'm just going to scrape this sticker off, so I'm not even going to worry about it right now, but that is going to get removed and that will be replaced later on. These are not Phillips head screws, these are the Y screws. I believe this is Y0. Any decent kit, especially if you get it from iFixit, will have these in various sizes. Anytime you want to get into old Game Boys, you're going to need a Y bit. Oof. When you open it, be very careful with this ribbon cable. You do not want to break that. That will ruin your day. And so there is a little dirt around the inside. The batteries never looked like there was any leakage in here, so that's definitely good. One thing I do have to take care of, the buttons are very sticky. Actually, almost on the inside, it feels like something was spilled on it. So we're gonna have to remove this board. We'll take the buttons, we'll clean them out, and we'll get everything else a nice clean while we're in here. We're also gonna put a contact cleaner on all of our knobs, our volume and contrast knob, just to make sure we don't have any issues down the road. Anytime I'm in a device, I like to do as much preventive maintenance as I can while I'm in here to minimize having to go back into the future. With the case off, you can definitely see something was spilled in here. Maybe soda. I don't know, it's black and sticky. So something actually did spill in here. And it did get on the board. So what we're going to do for the board, again, we're going to get our nice little water cloth. We're going to wipe everything off. Wipe the screen. We'll make sure that we clean the screen a little better. So that just popped right out. Expected. We'll make sure we clean the screen better so we don't have any streaks, marks, or anything else on there. So we can see that the front looks pretty good, a lot better than what it was. Still a little bit of that shine. I'm hesitant to use anything too abrasive or strong. I don't want to remove any of the lettering on start or select. But this really isn't a total restoration. This is just, let's clean it up like if it was my childhood Game Boy. I started out with a Game Boy Pocket, and my Game Boy Pocket is not perfect. It's been used. I would like this to look like that. I don't want it to look disgusting. Speaking of disgusting, when I was cleaning the back, look at that. Definitely somebody spilled some soda or something in here. We're gonna have to take all of this out, clean it very, very good before we put it back together. While we're here, I'll show you what I do with any sort of knobs on Game Boys or even other systems. Just get a little bit of contact cleaner, just spray it on the top, spray it on the side, and then work it through its full range of motion. That'll clean out any gunk in there. While we're here, any ports, the power port, link cable port, or even the headphone jack on the bottom. Spray a little bit in, and we'll get a cable, and we'll just plug it in, unplug it a few times. What this will do, any corrosion on the pins, it'll clean it right off. All right, before we button it back up, let's do one test just to make sure everything still works. Promising. All right, everything looks great. All right, so that's gonna wrap the... Oh, geez, you know what? It's because I hadn't had the battery cover on and I bumped the battery. So, well, that was scary. Anyway, so that's gonna wrap this up. Thanks for watching. Like I said, it was just gonna be a real quick video. I needed this to work because I'm working on a video for this guy, and we're gonna leave it at that. Hey, if you like what we're doing here at RTOD, like and subscribe. If you don't, leave a comment. Let me know. Thanks for watching.